Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are looking to dominate block blast and get insane high scores, you have come to the right place, because in today's video I'm going to show you a super simple block blast glitch that works in 2025. So first things first, you need to enter into the classic mode in block blast, and once you are in, you will want to keep refreshing or clicking replay until you get a vertical blocks. It should have 4 blocks. You will get the vertical blocks with 5 blocks in it, but we want to get the 4 blocks vertical block. Now this might take a few tries, but you don't need to worry. Just keep clicking until you see at least 1 or 2 vertical blocks. Now once you have got your vertical blocks, here is the trick. You just have to place one block on the far right on the board. After that, you need to place the second block next to it, but make sure not to complete a full line. The third block can go anywhere, just don't fill out the other slots completely. Now here is where the magic happens. By following this exact placement strategy, the game will keep generating vertical blocks over and over again. Watch this. I place the blocks as I just showed you, and boom, more vertical blocks keep appearing. Now just keep repeating this process. As long as you leave 2 empty slots at all times, this glitch will continue working. That means easy high scores, and you will be crushing your competition in no time. Just rinse and repeat, and you will be breaking records in minutes. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.